Hello friends, welcome to Kids Fun Learning. Today we will learn letters with its phonic sound and example. Let's start. A, apple. A is for apple. B, banana. B is for banana. C, cat. C is for cat. D, dog. D is for dog. E, elephant. E is for elephant. F, flower. F is for flower. G, gift. G is for gift. H, house. H is for house. I, iguana. I is for iguana. J, jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K, kite. K is for kite. L, lion. L is for lion. M, monster. M is for monster. N, nest. N is for nest. O, octopus. O is for octopus. P, pizza. P is for pizza. Q, queen. Q is for queen. R, rat. R is for rat. S, spider. S is for spider. T, tiger. T is for tiger. U, umbrella. U is for umbrella. V, vegetable. V is for vegetables. W, wizard. W is for wizard. X, fox. X is for fox. Y, yogurt. Y is for yogurt. Z, zebra. Z is for zebra. Thank you. Bye-bye.